It is my deep pleasure to welcome you to the 2023 January series here at Calvin University.
And all our virtual attendees across time zones, we are grateful you are joining us today.
It's a delight to be with you here today and a real honor to be invited to speak as part of this distinguished speaker series.
Mars has intrigued humanity ever since the first times we stared at the stars.
A wheelchair dancer named Alice Shepard approached me and she said, "I heard you're into ramps. I'm interested in making a ramp for stage and in using those same physics to make beauty."
I simply want to invite you, as both individuals and as an institution, to stick with love in your own labors toward the realization of justice in the world.
Now I want to suggest that the Black church is 3-0. Abolition, Jim Crow, Civil Rights Movement. And every time the generation that didn't listen to us, their children look back and say, "What were you thinking about?"
And so in order to get to success, you have to find a common goal.
We are reaching for a hope that things don't have to be as they've always been, and looking forward to a future in which we might imagine that change is possible, we could be kinder than we've been, more empathetic than perhaps we were raised to be.
There are so many hands and so many hearts involved in this project. The learning, conversations, and growth gets to continue. Keep talking about what you learned this month. Keep reading. Keep asking questions. And please, keep being curious. Thank you.